Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of instant cameras, where nostalgia meets modern technology. So let's embark on this retro journey together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Let's get started. The Polaroid. Now Plus is a modern twist on the classic instant camera that has captivated generations with its nostalgic charm. This updated version retains the iconic design that Polaroid is known for, while infusing it with a host of innovative features that appeal to both seasoned photographers and newcomers alike. Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 is a delightful addition to the world of instant photography, combining style, simplicity, and quality in one compact package. This camera takes the beloved instant print concept to new heights with its square format, offering a fresh perspective on capturing memories. With a sleek design that is both modern and user-friendly, the SQ1 is perfect for anyone from photography enthusiasts to casual users. One of the standout features of the Instax Square SQ1 is its intuitive operation. The camera is equipped with a one-touch selfie mode that makes it incredibly easy to snap fun self-portraits. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a delightful fusion of classic instant photography with modern digital features, making it a standout choice for both nostalgic film lovers and tech-savvy users alike. This innovative camera offers the charm of instant prints while incorporating digital capabilities that enhance the overall shooting experience. At its core, the Mini Evo features a sleek and stylish design that pays homage to traditional instant cameras but with a contemporary twist. It boasts a high-quality lens that captures vibrant images with impressive clarity, allowing users to create stunning prints in real time. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is a delightful addition to the beloved Instax line of instant cameras, offering a perfect blend of nostalgia and modern convenience. This compact camera is designed to capture and print credit card-sized photos in a matter of moments, making it an ideal choice for parties, travel, and everyday memories. What sets the Mini 12 apart is its user-friendly interface, which simplifies the photography process for both beginners and experienced users alike. The camera features an automatic exposure function that adjusts to varying lighting conditions, ensuring that your photos come out beautifully. Polaroid Go. The Polaroid Go is a compact instant camera that beautifully marries nostalgia with modern convenience, making it the perfect companion for those who cherish tangible memories. With its pocket-sized design, the Polaroid Go is effortlessly portable, allowing users to capture moments on the go without the bulk of traditional cameras.